When you're ready to get on the water for the first time, you need a fun, agile, playful ride. Whether it's taking your turn, escaping for a while, or chasing the sunshine, you should be able to do it all without paying a high price. The 2019 EX Series from Yamaha is the lineup of lightweight and nimble wave runners with plenty of zip for a surprisingly affordable price. And now, you can tear up the water from the very start with all the power of the brand new EXR. For the first time ever, you can get the power of a TR1 HO Yamaha Marine engine in the rec-lite category. With a lightweight Nano XL2 hull and deck. And ride, the world's first dual throttle handlebar control system. The EXR is pure fun on the water. With thoughtful features you wouldn't expect in an entry-level lineup, the EX Series provides plenty of thrills. Because even if it's your first time, you can still experience the rush of riding a wave runner.